between boys and girls who study related to study. That is co-education. Okay, so co-education is good for ourselves and our country because when everyone know what is going on in their mind. Like if we study together, boys and girls sitting there, that time we can say that what's your views on this? When we discuss something, we get information, which is very powerful to know. So what's your views on this? Okay.
Thought, because when we share our views, the time it produces a new thought, and that result is very different, and it develops our communication skill as much as we speak with each other, and then we can create our communication skill, and it creates also a competition, because in education competition should be, because if there is no competition, then students can't don't study. So that is the reason co-education is good for students.
Better with the girls, then we can share our point of views, and they will also say to us that what are thinking about any topic.
Yeah.
Then it is very necessary to study in co-education, because there is a competitive environment. Because if any student is studying in co-education, then he always think about that how can that girl grow faster than me. It is confident, but at the same time, if any boy is not studying in co-education, then there will be no any competition. He will compete with only their friends. But at the time, he will think that he is my friend. I don't want to compete him.
But there's so many people who say co-education is not good for girls because girls are made for home and they don't study with boys. It's good. What do you think about it?
No, it is a very bad thought.
Yeah, co-education. There are so many people say co-education is not good because boys and girls have lots of attraction with together. And after the discussion, boys talk to girls and girls talk to the boys. Then it's what happened. We have people think about wrong about this. So some people say that co-education is not good, but nowadays everyone has different mindset, and also boys have different mindset and girls have also different mindset. Then it's combined, then there is a developed a new thought. Then our India is developed and our country is developed with this education. So I think it is good and people change their mindset. Then it's wrong. There is no wrong meaning to live with each other. So that's why we can't say that all people have old mindset, that type of mindset that they just to see the environment.
And
she is telling right. She tells that means we all living village type area. That's why this problem we all faces here, and everything depends on their mindset. Which type of mindset you have to take, that's a matter. And co-education is also beneficial for our. It's also save our money, because we know that means India is our not developed country and they have no lots of money. That's why they manufacturing co-education.
yeah. And if we go out of Bihar, then we can say that what type of education is provided there. Because and these towns, what you say, why don't they say no discrimination? They all like a boys, girls also. Because in competition, they have a power to show their quality. Because whatever the boys are doing, the girls are same. And we can say that in competition, we can learn more than what we have and without education. Education is very necessary for us because it's great our enthusiasm to do better than boys. And if we have so many people say there is a friendship attraction in boys and girls, it's bad. And I just think it's very good because then we know what to avoid and what type of house they have. We can give information. So what do you want to say about that? There's attraction between boys and girls.
So many coachings, there are so many institutions are closed because boys and girls make a fuss with together. Even teachers are strict, but whatever there is modern trend, people do not say, but the people do not hear the teacher. So I think it is not good. Co-education is not good. Co-education is good, but its misuses is bad.
Yeah.
Not co-education is bad, I think.
I think society is a very big problem of our success path. So we should ignore the society because society is, I think, society is made for only discouraging the students. Means if we have studied together, then we know what is the mindset of girls and boys. We know better together. Then this is a good, and just like when we marry with boys and girls, then when we spend time, when we want, means we want to spend time, why? Because we want to know about him or her. That same, when we know about means what is real education, what is the routine of the topper, means this is not a boys and girls, this is the students only. So we don't comparison in boys and girls. So co-education is only for education. It is not for gender. So we don't compare it.
And girls have attractions. Yeah, there is a attraction, but there is a attraction between like a competitor. That type of attraction happened in the classroom. We have updated mindset, and not all have, but we are studying together, and we know that what type of environment co-education in system. So
Yeah, but in villages there are some people, if we talk with boys, and they say, what is going on? I mean, girls are independent. But we should improve our mindset because this is modern era and we should change ourselves with time. We should update ourselves because changing is the last issue. If we change, then we can do something right. Then we can successful. If we have this type of thoughts that boys and girls talking with one another, it's very bad. We should improve our mindset. And we should also say that people who are like this type of thoughts, they should also improve their mindset. Because if we thinking like that, it's very bad. We should understand what is going in the country, what is going in this era, and what's happened down there. If we talk about this, no matter. There are also women, there are also men. Girls and boys, there is no discrimination. We should change our negativity first. We should be positive. If we talking this, what? Everyone choices matter. How we can talk with boys? It's so very bad. We should improve our mindset. And mindset is the best powerful thing which we can change ourselves. In every process there is a problem of mindset. They have negative thoughts.